Welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla, and you are watching. Hello, everyone. My name is Kayla. Welcome. No, I said it back. I can still keep going. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla, and you are watching VA Up Next. Today, we are here with
Lilxabe.
Woo. Okay, so I just want to say thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Yes. Yeah, I like his music because it reminds me of a couple like mainstream people I like, but also some more underground people too, more independent people. I've made a list because I will sit here and blank on you. So I'm thinking like Trippy Red, Playboy Cardi, a little bit of Thousand Band Fani. I think about that, Icy Twat, of course, and who else I put up here? Lil Uzi. Okay, that is the sound that it gives me when I listen to it. It makes me feel real energized and pumped. But as you can see, he is chill.
Workout with.
Yeah, absolutely. So I wanted to ask you a few questions. I have some on my phone and some on my cords. So we're just gonna get started. Okay. Ooh, I don't know. Are you a music snob?
What you mean? Music
Like
snob, like
those people that think their music is like their music choices when they have the aux cord or the Bluetooth that they're better than everybody else.
I mean, with the game, it be like that sometimes. But like, I feel like I be giving out sauce, like grills, like niggas be taking songs from me and shit.
Oh Lord.
But it's cool. It's cool.
Do you think that hip hop is dying with like the influx of streaming and like TikTok hooks being the only thing people pay attention to sometimes?
Yeah, I feel like it's just artists saying whatever nowadays and blowing up off of that. That shit dumb. But it's like it make it harder for everybody else.
Okay. And how did you get your stage name?
It was Lilxabe at first. Then I was like Lilxabe. That was my Instagram. I just went with it. Lilxabe. It's Lilxabe or Lilxabe. It don't matter.
Your real name, by the way. I'm not gonna say it up here, but I do like your name.
Say that.
All right. So now this would be kind of crazy if you don't get this right. So it's finish the lyric. It's your song. My eyes is so low.
Feel like
Fill my crib with hollows.
clip. Oh my clip.
Fill my
With
crib
hollows.
with hollows.
You better get.
You better get going. Okay. So, what's your spiritual background?
My family's Christian, so I just grew up around that type shit.
Believe it?
Yeah, I mean, I went to church and shit. I ain't gonna lie, it's that damn. Go to church. I don't be going out for real, to be honest. But yeah,
If you suddenly came into a lot of money, what three things are you buying first?
but what do you talk?
Millions, like an
Millions.
advance.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Probably buy my family crib. Make sure all my family and my friends good. Then I just save the rest. I ain't gonna lie. I'll probably buy a chain if I get a million. If we talking millions
A
and
really
shit.
big one?
Nah. I'm slight. I'm
Oh,
slight.
okay. Like so, it wouldn't have you like
Yeah, I wouldn't go dumb. Like I'll
whole
just
name.
get some slight.
What about your whole name though? Your name ain't that long.
I think that's cringe to me. Like,
So that like your go-to struggle mill.
I ain't gonna lie. This $5 pizza spot at the street from my crib, man. A personal pen, $5. Like, what you mean? That shit'll fill you up. That shit good though.
Believe that Virginia's music scene is strong as it is, like, or
Yeah,
you do?
I mean, it's decent. It's decent.
I
Yeah,
think so too. I like how it
yeah,
seems like people are starting to work together more, collaborate
yeah.
more.
That's what I was about to say. That's what we need to improve on, like working together more, coming together. 757 type shit.
So, have you worked with any like 757 people, artists?
Yeah, I want to work with more, but
He wants to work with more. I will put his
Nah.
information down below. Y'all hit him up.
Like, I'm down.
Is he motivated?
I would say my friends the most. Cause like we all be doing our own thing. Like my friends make clothes. Friends just some just work hard. Like I respect it. I mean, they motivate me to like do what I do too. Like,
All right. Can you tell us more about your latest project release?
Honest Aid 2, it was basically the sequel to Honest Aid. Like niggas was fucking with Honest Aid, so I just was like, fuck it, Honest Aid 2. Drop that bit. Like it was like that shit hard as fuck. So I appreciate everybody that fuck with it for sure.
Mm-hmm. I just thought about this. Is there anybody close to you that does not support your music?
And nah, I don't associate myself with people that not trying to, you know what I'm saying, motivate me. So
Who is the most influential person in your life growing up?
I had to say Bruce Lee for sure. He just stood out to me the most my whole life type shit.
What, like the fighting?
Nah, that's like the way he like trains and shit. Like that shit real. Like it's really his, like your mind is really strong. Like it's all about in your mind type shit. Like this nigga could be a nigga bigger than him. Like, this nigga's really scrawny, but like it's the way he trained and shit. Like you're crazy.
What are your top 3 music inspirations or like your top 3 favorite music artists right now?
Uzi. I had to say, damn, top 3 right now.
Mm-hmm.
That's a really hard one. I had to say Uzi, Ken, Carson, and who else I be listening to? Myself for real, like.
Okay, that's a good answer.
It. If you want to do something, really learn that shit, like, and get invested into that shit, like, you'll really learn something out of it. Cause like, that's what I did. Like, I done made cover arts, master songs, and edited videos. Like, I just learned that shit. Like, it's not hard. You just gotta like do it.
Can you share a story that makes you laugh when you think back, but it wasn't so funny then?
Damn. I'm gonna just say a misfire happened at bro house.
With a gun?
Yeah, like
wow.
I don't even know if I should say it. Yeah, it was just a misfire, but bro over there, like Quran over there. Like he was in the it happened in the shed. So it was like I was using the bathroom and shit. I come out like, oh shit, what happened? Good thing it didn't hit him or nothing, but it was just a misfire. Like
what it fell?
Nah, like I guess I ain't gonna lie, we was tripping. But I ain't gonna lie, but he ain't know one was in the head type shit. So he picked it up. Thinking one not in the head on accident. What's that?
Nobody got hurt.
Nobody got hurt. Don't play with guns, kids.
Don't play with guns. Seriously. Oh. Yeah. And a little tipsy. But yeah, you're up next, right?
For sure. Now.
Right now. Literally right now.
I'ma get the money anyway. I just poured some red in my drink. Told her, get me, hey girl, what you think? Yeah, I got so much money in the bank. Yeah, these Da Vinci stones and they hitting. Put my wrists in the air, then they glisten. Ay, Niggas broke, they be penny pinching. If I aim at the target, I ain't missing. I'm talking G43 clip extension. Talking about the gun in my hand that I'm gripping. Hey, if I tell that bitch shut up, she listen. Rude nigga, fuck the bitch you missing. Then I tag them, bro, we edgy Christian. Dirty Fanta in my cup, I'm sipping. I've been so high, I've been tryna float. Told a little bitch, I'm just tryna poke. Am I not so big, you gotta cut the rope. Took a bad bitch to my crib and then she gave me throat. Yeah, Glocky on me, that's what I fucking told. Smoking top shelf, what you smoking, bro? Like a fat boy, gotta have it though. She said she wanna fuck, I'm like, are you sure? Yeah, why the brokest niggas always say the most? Hey, put the heater on him, then he turn to toast. I ain't tripping about that bitch, cause she do the most. I'ma up the stick quick, you can't come too close. Nasty freaky bitch, ho, you fucking gross. Nigga acting crazy, he get plugged off. Little foreign hoe and her butt soft. Yeah, two-seater Benz with the top off. Hey, nigga acting crazy, he get plugged off. Hey, nigga acting crazy, he get plugged off.